How to earn a novella without inviting. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can earn a novella without inviting people, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in daily. Yes, consistent logging in enables you to receive bonus points. So ensure you're always logging in daily into your account. And the second thing is by reading novels daily within the app. The more you read, the more points you accumulate. The more you read, the more points you accumulate. So ensure you spend time reading novels within the application. So yeah, different genres on novella. We have romance, action, horror, fantasy. Just go ahead, feed your eyes, read as many as you can, and the more you read, the more you're likely to earn more points. All right, and another thing you can do is by watching ads. All right, ads are not always available, but whenever they pop up, there's always an instinct or an urge to cancel the ad. But by the time you watch it, each ad view grants you points. So keep an eye out for ad offers while using the app. Another step is by completing daily taxes. Okay. Yes, how do you complete daily tax? Move to the top right corner where you can see bonus tax. Click on it, and then you will see what you need to do for you to earn more points. Another thing you can do is to write and publish engaging novels as a writer. All right, your account as a writer is usually different from your account as a reader. Okay, so if you're a writer, publish captivating novels or novella, and readers will pay in-app coins in order to access new chapters. When this is done, you will also get more earnings on the Novella app. So this is how it works. These are the various ways you can earn on Novella without inviting friends or families. Thanks for watching and have a good day.